Real question is it going to rain?
That's what my little trick-or-treater wants to know.
Okay, well, let's answer that question. I can tell you this right now, that the overall pattern has changed, and that makes it more favorable for some shower activity. Definitely more clouds, temperatures not as warm. I mean, it's still warm by October standards, but we're going in the right direction. I like what I see. All right, temperature out there right now, 81. Low this morning was 17 degrees above average. That's no good. Record low for the date. How'd you like to be 1970 on this date? 33 degrees, really chilly. Record high, 89. We're not going to reach the record high, but it is really warm for this time of the year. Matter of fact, high temperature will be right around 86, kind of mixture of clouds and some sun. Also, not only that, but we do have some showers showing up on radar. They're really small. Don't expect much in the rain gauge because you're not going to get it, but we do have a few showers. They're starting to play out a little bit. Let's take a zoomed in look here. Real small. I mean, these are real isolated showers, but you know, don't be surprised in the next hour or two if you still have to use the windshield wiper. Again, maybe 1/100th of an inch, maybe a couple of 100ths of an inch, and that's about it. All right, temperature outside 81, Gonzales 85, Hallettsville is 86, Beeville in the mid 80s, and that is warm for this time of the year. So we're in the mid 80s for a high. Look at St. Louis. I haven't looked it up. I've got to look. If St. Louis hits 88 today, that's got to be a record high for them. And look at these temperatures, almost 80 degrees all the way up to Minneapolis, St. Paul. Now I'm going to tell you, when it's this warm, this time of the year in this part of the country, you know it's equally as cold or cool somewhere else. And sure enough, look at these highs, only in the 40s, Salt Lake City, Billings, Montana, Casper. So take a mental image of this. And let's take a look at the upper level pattern. Boy, it just mimics it greatly. Here's our ridge, here's our trough. You know, for about a month and a half, we had a northwest flow aloft or an upper level ridge. Thank goodness that's been replaced by an upper level trough out west. So with a southwesterly flow aloft, I think this is going to continue kind of off and on for at least the next 10 days. And what that does for us, that puts us in the ball game for shower activity. Temperatures not as warm, rainfall, and that is great. As we head into next week, we'll have several chances, I think, for some rain, and this is going to be really good for us. So I think maybe we'll pick up an inch or 2 inches of rain over the next 10 days, and we need it really bad. All right, so high today will be in the mid 80s, chance for some showers out there. Let's take a closer look at Halloween. First of all, drought monitor is extreme. Pollen count, modes are light, pigweed's light, ragweed is all light. Here's your Halloween forecast. There is a chance for some scattered showers for Halloween. Temperatures mainly in the 70s for those trick-or-treaters, so it won't be that cool. Temperatures in the 70s. Good chance for seeing some scattered rain, though. And then as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, chance for some showers. Highs in the 80s. Next week, high temperatures in the 80s, then a really good chance for rain on the 7th, and another cold front comes in, and look at those lows, 50 degrees on the 9th and 54 on the 10th. So we're getting there. We're getting to fall. We got more KENS 5 News coming up after the break.